Hello traders and aspiring investors. Today, we uncover some harsh realities that often remain hidden from the surface. If you're thinking about entering the exciting world of Forex, you won't want to miss this video. So grab your notepads and let's get started. And hey, if you find this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Before you take the plunge, there are some hidden truths you need to know. From the myths about strategies to the importance of risk management, this video will provide you with an honest look at what it takes to be successful in the Forex market. So stay tuned and let's get started. Unfortunate truth 1. There is no single best strategy. The allure of predicting the market's every move. Sounds tempting, right? Well, in reality, it's not that simple. The markets are influenced by countless factors, making them unpredictable. This leads us to our first truth. There is no single best strategy. Sure, some strategies might work for a while, but the market's dynamics change, and you need to adapt. The key here is learning from various strategies and managing your risk effectively. Unfortunate truth 2. You need money to make money. Now, here's a tough pill to swallow. You need money to make money. While it's possible to start small, it's a slow and risky path. Having a larger capital allows you to use better risk management techniques and capitalize on more opportunities. But beware. Smaller accounts can lead to impulsive decisions driven by greed. So remember, it's not about starting with a fortune, but having the right mindset and a well-managed account. Unfortunate truth 3. You will be wrong at times. Picture this. Even the most successful strategies have their off days. Reality check. You won't always be right. It's natural to face losses, but here's the silver lining. With proper risk management, you can still profit with a win rate under 50%. Instead of fixating on being right all the time, focus on learning, adapting to changes, and sticking to your trading plan. That's the real path to profitability. Unfortunate truth 4. You will miss out on opportunities. Imagine this. The markets never sleep, but you do. There'll be times when perfect trading opportunities arise while you're working or sleeping. It's a fact of life in Forex. Don't dwell on what you've missed. Focus on what's ahead. And if you're trading